Hello friends, today we will explore cointracker.io, a great platform for tracking your cryptocurrency assets and managing your portfolio. If you want to simplify the process of tracking your cryptocurrency investments, then this site is definitely for you. Let's start with the interface. On the homepage, we see a modern and intuitive design. At the top of the screen, there are the main sections: portfolio, transactions, taxes, and reports. This allows you to quickly find the information you need and manage your assets. Now let's move to the portfolio section. Here you can add your cryptocurrency assets and track their value in real time. CoinTracker supports multiple exchanges and wallets, making the process of adding assets simple and convenient. You can also see the total value of your portfolio and its changes over a specific period. Next, let's take a look at the transactions section. CoinTracker automatically syncs your transactions with supported exchanges and wallets, allowing you to easily track all your operations. You can manually add transactions if necessary, giving you a complete picture of your investments. Equally important is the taxes section. CoinTracker helps you calculate capital gains taxes by providing reports that comply with tax authority requirements. This is especially useful for those who trade actively and want to avoid issues with tax agencies. Now let's talk about pricing. CoinTracker offers several subscription levels, including a free plan that allows you to track a limited number of transactions. Paid plans offer additional features, such as unlimited transactions, access to more detailed reports, and priority support. This allows you to choose the right option based on your needs and level of market activity. It's also worth mentioning the reporting and analytics feature. CoinTracker provides detailed reports on your investments, including charts and statistics, which help you better understand your financial situation and make informed decisions. In conclusion, cointracker.io is an indispensable tool for anyone investing in cryptocurrency. With its help, you can easily track your assets, manage taxes, and analyze your investments. If you are not yet familiar with this platform, be sure to check out the site and try it for yourself.